welcome back to the English Wali channel, and today I'm gonna speak that power of fair sex because it is the most important, and I wanna speak about this topic that it is not topic, and that I am thinking at random that what is power of fair sex. So after that I will get something, and that I wanna say something. She use phone, and that she operates computer, and that she operates aeroplane, and you know very well that she can do anything. It is not my cup of tea that I can explain in front of you that what is your power of fair sex. But I wanna speak in front of you that if fair sex can do anything anywhere, so what is need of people? Sorry, what is need of man? Because according to me that fair sex doesn't need any man. But unfortunately we can speak that our society needs one man whosoever looks like as a husband. But according to me that fair sex can live without any fiancé, and that we can speak that husband, because fair sex able for self for to speak about fair sex, that fair sex always able that whatever you will do any work, you will give any work, so she will do heart and soul. And because you know एप्पल का ऑर्डर दैट किसी ने क्या खूब कहा है कि आदमी को बनाते हुए भगवान ने बहुत जल्दी कर दी, लेकिन जब औरत को बना रहा था तो उसे बहुत फुर्सत से बनाया, तभी आज वह काम में या किसी चीज़ को करते वक्त फुर्सत नहीं पाती। तो ये मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, आई थिंक या इट कोटेशन हैज़ बीन स्पोकन बाय मी, बट या आई वांट स्पीक इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, बट आई नो दैट आई विल स्पीक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. सो आफ्टर दैट you will not figure down my words whatever I'm speaking inside of you. So yeah, due to I had spoken Hindi, so yeah, it was quotation, and that I when I speak that we don't know that what is power of fair sex. You know, I think Jhansi Ki Rani, you know very popular fair sex that Indira Gandhi is like. So yeah, and Mayawati also. So yeah, I when I speak that I when I speak firstly for fair sex, that you shouldn't become Bechari, rather you should become powerful fair sex among society. Okay, bye, take care.